Time to watch TV. Back of the brain. Continues. We are focused. It's a waiting game. We got everything. We are good. We are good. Okay. Ready to watch TV. We're ready. Our focus. It's a waiting game. Let's get ready. Looks like the party is about to begin. This is the time. This is the time. Okay. Take some time. Time to take a break. That's it for me. It's crunch time. So the activities should be happening pretty soon. Your focus. Activities should be happening pretty soon. That's pretty much it. Let me get my napkins. I think I got it right here. Boom. It's a waiting game. It's almost crunch time. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. It's 5:38, 5:38 p.m. We are focused. We are waiting. It's 5:38, Thursday, February 13th, 2025. 5:38 p.m. We are waiting. Watching TV, Attack of the Brain continues, high frequencies, and bright light harassment. All right. watching TV. Let's see. Really. Time to take a break. All right, YouTube channel under attack. YouTube channel under attack. Attack continues. You can clearly see YouTube channel is under attack. There you go. Internet connection under attack. And organized crime family Anthony J. Loader and Nello Greco, main proprietor of 5132, are panicking. And this is a distraction coming from next door, 5135, second floor hideout. That's right. High-tech surveillance monitor, very aware of my location and activities, on-command signal, instructions given. Extreme high-level frequency, electromagnetic field wave shock treatment to the brain continues. And this is internet connection being disabled. We are focused. We are waiting for further developments. And of course, this is a distraction away from 5130 and 5132. There is going to be activity, and that's the reason for the brain attacks and internet connection disabled. There you go. We are waiting and standing by. Attacks continue. Attacks continue. And the surveillance is going to continue. Surveillance is going to continue. We are focused. So let's try again. Let's try again. And see what they're giving. Attacks continue, and we are focused. The next crime family is responding. Attacks continue. Attacks continue. We are focused. It's a waiting game. Waiting for further development. And this is the time of the attack. Right here, internet connection disabled. Thursday, February 13th, 2025. And it's at 5:43 p.m. Attack on the internet. Organized crime family is responding. And, of course, it's a distraction away from 5130 and 5132. So, again, please do your part and contact Internal Revenue Services regarding 5132. We filed a petition of tax evasion January 8th, 2025. That's right. And the attacks continue of the brain, daily plan attacks, insurance policy, fraud. That's right, the game of manipulation. We are waiting for further developments. And let's see what happens. It shouldn't be much longer. It's almost crunch time. We are waiting. It's a waiting game. All right. Bada-boom.
sorry. Those scratches on your nose. Right, Nick?
Well, you were talking about having a vacation. Here you are. You can sleep all day and have your meals served to you in bed. I'll get you a bell and you can ring it when you're hungry. I've been trying to tell you how lucky you are. Nick? You all right? Sure you are.
Well, he's got 3 broken ribs and some nasty lacerations on his legs and chest.
That cat did quite a job on him.
Quite a job. Knowing Nick, however, he'll probably decide the whole thing was nothing at all. You're trying to kick up his heels in a day or two. But don't. Keep him in bed for 3 days at least. Then slowly let him get up and move around. He'll be all right if you don't let him push him.
Doctor, he seems so strange.
Yes, what is it? He looks at you, but it's as if he isn't seeing you.
Well, that's only natural. He's still in a state of shock. He'll pull out all right. I'll look in on him tomorrow. Maybe around lunch. If you still have some of that pickled goose in the cooler.
You've just gotten yourself an invitation.
Good. Meantime, get yourself some sleep. Good night.
Don't you worry. Doc's right. If I know Nick will be up and around in no time.
Well, I'll never complain about him hollering around the house again.
Now be careful. A day or two you might have to eat those fruits. Come on, let's get some sleep.
Easy,
too tough and stringy. Cat's probably got indigestion.
Cat does have indigestion. I think the best thing we can do is put him out of his misery. Tanner's here today. Who's Tanner? Professional hunter. I wired him yesterday. Why? Can't hit another steer yesterday.
That's no reason to call it a
Professional hunter. Well, we're short-handed on the roundup now. We can't spare him. I'm gonna get that cat myself.
Oh, Nick, you can't be serious.
Nick, you get up on a horse and you'll shove those busted ribs right through your lungs. Not likely. Besides, I'm only bossing the roundup, so she rest. It's fine. You boss the roundup, I'll get that cat. Sorry, Nick, you can't have him. Mr. Tanner. My name's Sheriff Hartwood. They told me to your hotel. I'd find you here. If you don't mind, I'd like to have a talk. Mr. Barkley, I paid very good money for this private performance. Why don't you drink your wine and enjoy it? Thank you very much. But if you don't mind, I would like to get right down to business. I never mix business with pleasure, Mr. Barkley. And this is my pleasure. Tell me, Mr. Tanner, how much longer does this performance last? Another 2 hours. Well, if you don't mind, I have some other things I'd like to take care of, so maybe you could meet me in my office after this is over. Now relax, Mr. Barkley. Culture is good for the soul. I'll just try a little of this rice wine. I'll explain to you what's going on. That girl has just found a beautiful jade bracelet and is caught in the dilemma of whether to find the owner or keep it. What she does not know is the bracelet was left outside her door by a handsome young suitor. She couldn't accept an outright gift from him, so he has chosen this subterfuge to get it into her hands. She cannot resist it. And we don't have to rest in our house that it is his gift. You see the subtlety of the Oriental mind, Mr. Barkley. Oh, yes. Good.
Jared tells me you're quite a fan of the Chinese theater.
Well, I enjoy it like what I can afford. Good wine, good art, good people.
You hardly seem like a professional hunter.
Barclay, I think you'd better understand something. You can't come with me. I work alone.
I think you better understand something, Tanner. I was against hiring you in the first place. Now, there's nothing personal in that.
Even if I allowed you to come along with Barclay, you're in no shape for it.
I'm the best judge of that, don't you think?
Well, there's no point in pursuing this any farther. You hired me, went down the cab. That's what I'm going to do. Alone. Good night.
Nick, I thought we settled all this at breakfast. You were going to stay here and rest. Now,
Mother, I was fast. It's probably a medical marvel.
Nick,
All I have to do is convince you to do it. Run around the house a couple of times holding my breath. Or maybe you'd like to see me jump the corral fence. Oh, come on, Mother, stop frowning. Look at his smiling face. I'm a picture of health.
Nick, I won't buy it, Nick.
Well, that cat hit at me and I'm going to hit back.
Revenge. Oh, for heaven's sake, Nick, that cat is a dumb animal. You're a man with intelligence and reason. You don't need revenge.
It's getting late. I gotta get up pretty early in the morning. Let's get some sleep. Good night.
Nick, there's more to it, isn't there?
It's just something I have to do.
What do you think you're doing? Told you last night I'd go with you. I said you weren't, but here I am, right beside you. Barclay, that is not an ordinary cat. A man wounded him once, or he wouldn't have attacked. And he'll attack again at the first melody. Say much attention. Oh, well and good. But there's the matter of me also. I've done this all my life. You know more than most. And that edge keeps me alive. Well, I'm not about to take away that edge. Trying to make a rid of a cripple and an amateur. I won't risk taking you along. Well, then you best go back to the ranch and pick up your fee, because I'll go it alone anyway. All right, Barkley. You want to track cat? Come on. Tired, Barkley? Not too tired to realize you've been traveling in circles for the past hour. It's only a little over 3 miles back to the ranch. Make it before noon. If I was to turn back, but I'm not about. Why? Quit stalling. Let's get on with this. I couldn't keep you from coming along with me. Doesn't mean I have to explain my movements.
Say I didn't see that cat in the camp last night? Since he supposedly was standing on the rocks where he couldn't use traps, you'll never know, will you? You mean you'll never? He came down the feed from up there. You okay? I'm fine. You're in great shape. I'm fine. You're caving in. Sit down before you fall. His legs hurt. How bad? Well, they won't be carrying you for a while. That meadow we came through a ways back. I saw a cabin. I'll take you there. Lawyer. Got me in. I played a cruel trick on my good young friend here. His horse took a fall in the rain. Oh, that's the cliffs. So, Roof said he must appreciate it.
He does look in a bad way.
I ought to need a couple hours of rest. This is my wife. Deb. A Jenner. This is the fun place.
Maybe we should ask him inside.
See what you can do. Something wrong? You, play poker? Oh, yes. Once in a while. Low stakes. $20. Well, I think I'll call. Let's see. You have a straight, and I have all hearts. How many things? That's right. A flush? Beats straight, doesn't it? I gotta get
Try it again.
What is it?
It's a special rod I put in.
All right. Very good. Thank you. You're a generous and sweet individual person, Mrs. Jones. to send somebody after him.
It wouldn't have done any good, I'm sure. He was handled.
What devil has gotten into him there? What suddenly is so almighty important about hunting down a cat?
What was so important when you went out to ride lightning during the dead of winter last year?
What's that got to do with this?
He doesn't see the comparison.
Todd, I see it very clearly. You wanted to break the horse. Instead, the horse broke your leg.
So at midnight, with your leg in splints, you sneak out of the house and climb in for Emma's bed.
Maybe I was just trying to prove that I... Maybe I see the comparison after all.
You just have to wait until he gets back. You just have to wait.
You keep staring at me. Sorry. I keep getting the feeling that maybe we've met before. We haven't. I don't usually forget a face.
You never forgot mine. Because you never saw it before. This is my hand, Tanner. This time, I got you beat.
Well, now, Mr. Giles, I've got your money, your horse, your saddle, your cabin.
Got you 200.
But you haven't got 200.
I'm good for it.
Sorry, Mr. Giles, I never play on credit. However, it wouldn't seem fair not to give you a chance to recoup. So I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll call your 200 against your wife. If the lady is agreeable,
If you're sure you've got him beat.
All right. 3 aces.
I have 3 queens. And 2 nines.
You stinker. You cheated me.
Mr. Giles, what makes you say that?
Made me think you didn't know much about poker.
Mr. Giles, I never said I didn't know poker. I just didn't say how much. And I'm going to let you ride out of here, all right? All right. All right. What's happened? Well, there he is. All bright-eyed like a hungry fox. Did you sleep well, Mr. Barton? What's going on? What was all that fighting about? The evils of gambling. He was a very poor loser. Well, we best get moving. Right you are. But you have got to do what?
Let's see. We are waiting. Looks like we have activity. Lights off. Hiding behind the tree. That's what we're looking at. It's 6:22. 6:22. We are focused. Hiding behind the tree. 6:22. Let me see. Instructions given to drive away. That's what just happened right now. Denied access. There's the vehicle right there. And it looks like it's going to go a left on Laramie. Denied access. Instructions given to drive off on command signal while watching TV. All right. So, high-tech surveillance monitor. Very aware of my location and activities on command signal. Instructions given. There you have it, folks. Hiding behind the tree. We got him. And, of course, the murder plot continues. Extreme high-level frequency electromagnetic field shock treatment to the brain continues. Coming from next door, 5135, second floor hideout. And it's 6:25 p.m. Thursday, February 13th, 2025. We are focused. Lights off at 5130. Lights off. Denied access. Instructions given on command signal. All right, we are waiting to see if he returns. Community gang stalking. We are waiting. Shouldn't be much longer. So we got so far.